Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete cell, row and column in Google Docs. Google Docs is a platform provided by Google where you can create or edit any kind of files that you want. So if you want help in deleting cell, row and columns in Google Docs, this video is just for you. First of all, open Google Docs application or simply open Google Docs in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on the search bar and type docs.google.com. Press enter. Now you will have to select the document where you've created the table. Here I'm selecting this document. Now click on any cell that you want. Right click on your mouse. Here you can see option for deleting row and deleting column, but there is no option for deleting cell. So you can see over here, this cell is quite unnecessary. So if you want to delete it, what you have to do is click on the border of the cell. Now at the top, you can see option for border color. Click on the option and select white or select the color that matches your background color. Now again, select this border and repeat the process. Now you can see over here, this cell has already been deleted. Now, if you want to delete the row, for example, if I want to delete this third row, all you have to do is click on any cell of this row, right click on the mouse and choose the option delete row. You can see over here our row is deleted. Now, if you want to delete this column, simply click on any cell of the column, right click on the mouse and select the option delete column. You can see over here our column is deleted.
So that is how you delete cells, rows and columns in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.